Morning to one and all. Myself Kanti GS from Sri Venkateswara College. I am going to discuss the topic of microwave and antenna. Introduction of reflex klystron oscillator. Klystron oscillator was invented by Rosai H. Varian in 1939. Klystron is a vacuum tube which is used to amplify microwave frequency. Klystron that works on reflection and oscillation in a single cavity, which has variable frequency. It is a low power microwave oscillator generating in the range of 15 to 10 to 500 microwave, frequency about 1 to 20 megahertz and efficiency about 20 to 30%. Reflex klystron oscillator is a single cavity microwave, works on principle of velocity modulation of electrons in a Kepler space. Constructional details of reflex klystron. It consists of electron gun, anode cavity, RF out, coaxial loop, Repler space, Repler electron, and consists of VA and VR. This is the constructional details of reflex klystron. Reflex klystron is a single cavity klystron that can be used as low power microwave oscillator. Due to the DC voltage in the cavity, a radio frequency RF noise is generated. The electron beam injected from the cathode is velocity modulated by the cavity gap voltage. Electrons which encounter the positive half cycle of RF field will get accelerated. Those electrons which encounter zero RF field will pass with high unchanged velocity, means constant velocity. Electrons which encounter negative half cycle will be retarded. Some of the accelerated electrons enter the Repler space with the greater velocities, and these electrons are retarded by the retarding field in the Repler space. Since the Repler space is at negative potential, the electrons entering the Repler space is repelled back. These electrons give up kinetic energy into the field on their return journey. The electrons are finally collected by walls of the cavity by keeping the unity gain and phase shift of 2 pi. Sustained oscillators are obtained. Applications of Replers. Okay. Radio receivers, portable microwave links, parametric amplifiers, local oscillators of microwave receivers, acts as a single source where variable frequency is desirable in microwave generators. Okay guys, thank you.